Hello and good morning. I'm just messing around with the navigation here. There's a lot of superchargers around. I did a auto nav where it decided that it was going to put us downtown at the country club. No, I don't want to do that. So anyway, we'll set this here for now, get us going to the north. We arrived with 17%. And I think we're good. It's 43 degrees. We're leaving with 79%. We used up about 5% with Sentry mode here. All right, I think we're good to go. Let's move on down the road. We're finally on the interstate here, running autopilot, and heading due north on highway, make that Interstate 57. It's early, it's 5:53. We have our Scottish breakfast. We'll be eating it here as we head north. First charge stop is, 158 miles. Arrival percentage of 18%. So we should be fine. And yes, it's as dark as an inside of a cow here. Eek. We're moving right along here on Interstate 57. We are now, it's funny, again, this is another one of those things. The arrival percentage got down to 6%, and it got to a point where all of a sudden maybe the battery was warm or whatever it was. The car temperature stabilized and it started coming up. And now we're at 13% on arrival again. Which is just fine. 95 miles to go. Make that now 94. The road is in good shape here, as you might imagine. It's, I think, freshly surfaced. It's very dark out here, but we're in the middle of a bunch of agriculture here all around. We're in Effingham, Illinois, and it's effing right here. And we make our left turn and stay on Interstate 57.
In 1 mile, take the Interstate 57 north exit on the left towards Chicago.
What she said. Let's have a look around here just north of Effingham. I know you can't see a lot. It's dark, but it's what it is. It's dark. We are north of Effingham, and let's have a look around. We're proceeding up Interstate 57, now about 34 miles from the supercharger. We're going to charge in Champaign, I think that's how you pronounce it, and we'll charge up, and then we're going to charge up a short, and the reason being is we want to charge up before Metro Chicago, and the reason is we don't want to have to try to get off the tollway in Chicago and charge. So we're going to charge here. We're going to charge just short. I'm not sure what that is. I can't quite do all this driving. Here, this place here is where we're going to go. Bradley, Illinois, after this charge. And that'll take us all the way north here, all the way up into Wisconsin, and that's what we're looking for. So we'll charge here and then on to Bradley. Looks like the sunshine is turned to water here, and we've got 13 miles to our off-ramp in Champaign. Do an energy check. 11% on arrival, 15 miles to go, and we have 19 in the battery. And yes, we are still on autopilot. Here's a little fun fact. If you look at our consumption, look at it now, 432. And that's because of the density of the air with all this water. It really increases our drag. So that's why the arrival percentage has changed. Yeah, it's pretty soupy. All right, here we are. Let's see what we got. Looks like some kind of store here. County Market.
Hardware.
Yeah. Some kind of a store. I think it's here someplace. Maybe out here. It's shown to be in here. Oh wait, here it is. That is.
Now turn right.
12 stall. Look at that. Not a soul here. Now let's see if I can choose the non-working one.
Let's find one that works for you.
Oh wow. Well, it's okay. You know what? I'm happy to have a supercharger here. This is just peachy.
Fill it up.
All right. Let's look at our trips. 2,480 miles, 859 kilowatt hours of energy at a rate of 346. That's pretty constant. All right, here we go. Let's get hooked up. Oh no, we're on fire. No, it's the radiator. We're here in Champaign, Illinois, West Kirby Avenue. It's a 12 stall version 3, and you can see there's hardly a space available here to charge, but we were able to find one. There's an Ace Hardware, there's a pet store, there's a fossil fuel car or a station here for your lawnmower, and a McDonald's, of course. That's where you can get your Scottish breakfast. That's where you get your Scottish breakfast. And by the way, a Scottish breakfast is anything they serve because McDonald's is a Scottish name. All right, we're charging. We got another 20 minutes to go and then we're out of here. As you can tell, the weather is absolutely lovely today. We are charged enough here, and 70%, 20% arrival in Blakely, or whatever the heck it was, south of Chicago. Have a look here. The exit, we've got to go back to where we got off. Apparently there's no way because there's an interstate here. That's fine. So we're going to go that way. Our next stop will be in, what is this, Blakely? We'll see here, this one. Bradley, Illinois. We'll get a charge here, and then from there it'll take us all the way across the abyss here, up 294, all the way up, and our next stop will be in Kenosha. So that's the way we're going. All right, let's get unplugged and get on down the road. And by the way, I spent 2 days, Illinois toll people, to go on, downloaded the app, entered my data, and it sits there with a spinny thing, and it says, oh, something went wrong, try again later. Well, apparently their servers crashed or something, and nobody's home. So we're going to drive through anyway, and hopefully they'll rectify it. Or maybe the tolling servers died altogether and we get a free ride. Who knows? All right, let's unplug and get on down the road.
Now turn right to take the Interstate 57 North ramp.
Let's have a look around here north of Champaign, Illinois. Okay, well, this is pretty cool. If we look at this, it's a gigantic blade for a wind charger there, or a wind generator. Just driving through the rain here on the way north. Next stop, Bradley Supercharger. That's Bradley, Illinois. And it looks to me like about 43 miles. Yeah, I don't know why I keep showing you this, but this is what I see. Let's have a look around. Old farm over there. We are in Bradley, and we'll be getting off the highway here and getting a little charge. Yeah, we're off the highway here, and it looks to me like it's in the Meyer parking lot, which is common. You'll go up there. It's a 12 stall version 3. Get some juice here. All right. And survey says it's to the left.
In 500 feet, your destination may be on the left.
I'll buy that for $1. Let's see, I guess we can go this way. Looks like it's a double-sided maybe.
Yeah,
let's see. Is it? Yeah, it is. Look at that. So it's a double-sided version 3. That's cool. We'll just grab the end one here since they're all the same. To Delta. All right, we're here. Let's do our trip data. Survey says 2,568 miles, 895 kilowatt hours used at a rate of 349, which has been constant. We arrived at 24%. Let's get hooked up here. All right, let's check our charge rate. I'll buy that for $1. 253 kilowatts at 26%. All right, we're going to let it charge. It says 25 minutes, and we'll be on to Wisconsin. Getting close to finishing charging here in Bradley, Illinois. Here's our run. We head north on 57, jump into the center of Chicago, which is a lot. We'll take 294 here, which is Pay Road, around the city, north, and we're going to get our charge here in Kenosha. That allows us to plan and get through the Chicago area. Looks like we're just about done here. We're going to charge, we'll round this up to 15%, and then we'll hit the road, which will be just in a couple minutes. As you can tell here at the Meyer store, it's a very nice store, by the way. It's kind of like a giant Hy-Vee, and it is a real nice day today. Temperatures drop to 39 as the cold front pushes the rain out of the area. It'll then, of course, turn to maybe sleet, something like that, don't know. But in any case, it'll be a blast. Okay, it says 17%. I think we're just good to go. So let's hit the road. I think we're coming in behind this. It's blowing in from our left. Hopefully it's on the way out. And here we are on Interstate 294, headed north on the toll road. Just into Wisconsin now. And superchargers in 3.7 miles.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. Yeah. All right. Anybody know what that is? That is a German company that makes something called a gummy bear. Not a gummy bear, a gummy bear. Awesome. They're making them here in Wisconsin. Good work. Yeah, the supercharger is supposed to be here. It's an 8 stall. And what's that say? Woodman's? Huh. How about that? Good for Woodman's. See where they put it. There they are.
Now your destination is on the left.
Yes, it is. Version 3, which makes me happy. That means you can park anywhere, which is very cool. So we'll just go up here and look at that, all the white Teslas. Holy mackerel. We're just going to have a blue Tesla here to make them know what's good color. White was the free color there for a while, and I think everybody and their brother bought a white one. I had a white Model X, but I didn't buy it because it's cheap or free. I liked it. The Model X has what's called the pearl color, which is kind of cool. All right, we are here. Let's have a quick look at the trips. Looks like a whopping 2,680 miles so far this entire trip. 0.939 megawatt hours at an average of 350 watt hours per mile. That was probably up because of the rain. We arrived with 20%. All right, we're going to charge up to about 80%, and this will allow us to mess around in town while we're here for a couple of days. All right, let's get it. All right, we're hooked up. Let's check it out. That's what I'm talking. 256 kW. Yeah, I love Wisconsin. Yeah, it was short-lived, but that's okay. We're going to charge it to 80. Currently, it was set there for 80. Yeah, let's do 85. If I can get it. Right. Oh, there. Okay. We're going to go to 85. And then we'll let it charge. What's it say here? It says 30 minutes. I think we're going to wander around in the store or something. We're all charged here. And this will be the last of the video. I hope you liked today's video. It was, I don't know, dark and rainy, but at least you kind of see exactly what you do in a Tesla under those conditions. If you liked today's video, give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and if you would, pass it on to your friends. Don't forget my referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen. It'll get someone a heck of a good deal by getting them 3 months of full self-driving, a discount of $500 on their purchase of a Tesla, and on top of that, you get free supercharging if you purchase it this year. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next video, and take care.